Hey, what are you doing? Why? Huh?
I'm gonna pull the motor out
Why?
so I can go faster.
By having no engine?
Yeah.
Why? Weight savings?
Yeah.
So how much weight are you saving?
Oh no.
All right, we'll pull the engine out. Huh? What are you doing?
I have no clue.
You have no clue?
I know I know I have to do this just so this doesn't fall off though.
You gotta do all this shit to change the alternator?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yep.
Damn, really?
Yeah. Ready for you.
Yes.
All right, well. I like your invincible Corolla. Where is it?
I have no idea either.
Or this is the new engine for the lawnmower. Hey, keep it down.
What?
Engine's still not out.
Nope.
And what are you doing now?
Taking the little feed line off.
You dropped something. What happened to your Corolla?
It's over there.
Why aren't you working on it?
Helping this guy.
So, 20 psi next?
Yeah. You think you would hold 20?
Huh?
You think you would hold 20?
Can a skinny boy hold a fat cheerleader?
A little bit.
All right, there you go. Before it breaks its back?
Yeah.
For a little bit, it'll hold it before it throws a rod. Do 30 psi. Just gotta do what? Motor mounts, harness. So this ready to come out?
Basically. So cool.
Oh, you got this bolt. You got this side out, huh?
Yeah. What?
Okay. What happened to our tripod? Transfer everything to the other engine. All right, well, hopefully get everything transferred by the end of the day. What's up, YouTube? So it's the next day. We actually finished pretty late. My son got the engine out, so we have a buyer for this. Someone bought it, $300. So yeah, we're getting rid of it. We're gonna put the LSVtec in. Let me show you that. All right, guys, this is the LSVtec we put together. So this is going in that car, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and order a different manifold and replace this. Just realized we don't have a GSR throttle body, and there's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and order another manifold. Hopefully it'll be here in a week or so. But yeah, this is what's going in there. It's basically stock LS with GSR internals, GSR head, Type R cams, and dual, Type R valve drain, valve springs. So yeah, there's that. And let me show you what my nephew's been trying to do. Gave him this 8.6. My son used this as parts car. My son basically took the swap parts out of this and the shell. We just been holding on to it. We were gonna sell it or get rid of it, but my nephew, I mean, the shell's pretty clean. There's no rust. We bought it from a guy. It's just it had a lot of back fees, like $800 something. So when we bought it, we had every intention of just taking the swap parts out of it and passing the body on. But my nephew bought. So this is the rust bucket my nephew bought. As you can see, there's a rust hole right there. but it's a GTS, clean running GTS. Just a lot of rust. You see, you know, this car was a lot of rust. He drifted this for about a year, or I think 2 years, and then he parked it here when we gave him the body. So he's transferring all his good parts to that car. So this car is actually coming back to life. And this car is an original GTS car. He already transferred his seat. It's not bolted down though. Yeah, this car was originally an original GTS. So we got the suspension for it. I'll probably put it on for him because he just comes here on weekends and work on it, and we worked kind of late last night. Right now it's Monday, Memorial Day, so we really got we couldn't finish it. He worked late, so I told him don't worry about it, just go home. I was getting tired, yeah. So you'll see more of this car in the channel. The engine's out like I showed you. Hopefully this will be running by the week, so till next time.